The Corvette's back home, guys. What's going on, guys? So it's been a little bit, but we are going to kind of go over the Corvette since I just picked it up. I love it. So you guys have kind of seen bits and pieces, I'm sure, on some of the paint videos and like the videos kind of going showing the damage that was done and whatnot. But we're going to go over everything that was done. For the most part, I'm pretty happy with where the car's sitting. Exterior wise, I got a couple final things I want to do, but they're gonna be ways down the road. So let's get started on this. So starting out, first of all, don't make fun of me, still gotta mow the grass. But starting out, obviously, car is Synergy green now. I love this color. I've seen it done on a couple other cars, seen it on the Camaro when it first started coming out, and I love this color. Hood, it is carbon fiber. I'm actually really impressed. It is from Carbon Creations. It fit really nice, and then the pattern in it is just perfect. It is a functional cowl hood. Does have the vent on the back. I don't like these. I think the screen that came in them is going to come out, and I'm not sure exactly how I feel about these. I knew I wasn't too sure when I ordered it, but these are functional heat extraction vents. So we'll see. I mean, I'm definitely not going to get rid of it. So, a couple of more subtle things. The front emblem. The C5 emblems have the ring that goes around them. I cut that off and I just deleted the rear one. I think deleting the rear one just looks cleaner. It kind of looks out of place to me from the factory. This is not the factory paint. The target top and the B-pillar were both repainted. They are like a stock looking black, but it does have some green flake added into it. So there's a little subtle tie-in. A couple other of the subtle things. Side markers blacked out. I did throw in the same tail light covers, license plate cover, third brake light color. And then some of you remember this was black, or not black, excuse me, red on when the car was black. And I decided to go with the black lettering. Like, I have a real hard problem talking on camera for some reason, but whatever. And I did do the front cover too. I already got bugs and stuff on this, but no, I'm super happy with it. Dustin knocked us out of the park. I don't care what people say. I did just plastic dip the wheels. I am going to get aftermarket wheels eventually, so I didn't see the point in spending money for powder coat. So, hate if you want, I don't give a shit. But yeah, otherwise, I'm super stoked that it's back. Dustin had about 2 weeks, so really knocked it out super fast too. We did replace the windshield, as I said in one of the other videos, and a couple other little things. I threw my wideband gauge in there. Got some wiring situated, cleaned up a little bit. Just stupid stuff like that. I got it, had it detailed. Car still needs its final polish, and I'm gonna have it ceramic coated. Lowered it on the stock bolts for now. Yeah, so I'm super stoked with it. We'll go ahead and do some B-roll footage of it, but it is back together, it's back home, and we can start figuring out the next project. So with that going ahead, let's watch some clips.